Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript type challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you want to learn and become a TypeScript pro. Number 268, if. Implement the utility type if that takes arguments c, t, and f, which accepts condition c, a truthy value t, a falsy value f. C is expected to be either true or false, while t and f can be any type. Here are examples. If true, then A, false B, expected to be A. If false, then A, false B, expected to be B. I would say we check it out in the code. First of all, we write our test type that takes an if. We just copy this here. So this is quite an easy one, but I still like to have my test type, which now returns any. And I would start with saying, okay, this condition extends Boolean because it has to be true or false. Then we check C extends true, then T, otherwise F. That would be my solution. The way you saw all the errors immediately vanished is already a good sign. So with true, this returns A. With false, this returns B. That's great. Let's check the test cases. Okay, this is exactly the one we just tested. Returns 2. That's great. The error one apparently also throws an error. So let's check out other online solutions. English one. If with the parameter C extends Boolean. That's nice. TF, C extends true. TF. Alright, it's exactly what we did. Here someone says this answer would result in B for type error. It's not valid syntactically, so I guess we can ignore that. That was definitely very easy. Next one. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.